Hello everyone. So today here we have a KCET question on linear programming problem. Let us see. Consider the maximize problem of z equals to minus 2x minus 3y subjected to the following constraints. Okay. So we have to find the maximum value of z. So first we shall consider the constraint. So the first constraint is x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is your first constraint. Now you can solve this by applying the methods that we have done in linear inequalities one by one. So if I take directly here, the LCM of 2 and 3 would be 6. So upon solving, I will get this as 3x plus 2y. And if we multiply both sides by 6, this is what I will get. Okay, so let this is A. So this is your first constraint. We know how to solve the constraint. You have to equate this to 6. Once you put x as 0, you'll get the value of y. Once you put y as 0, you'll get the value of x. Okay, if I put y as 0, I'm going to get the value of x as 2. If I put x as 0, I'm going to get the value of y as 3. So we have to plot the straight line of this. Now for the solution part, what do we do? Put x as 0 and y as 0 both in your given constraint, correct? Either you can put in equation 1 or in equation A, both are fine. So if I use equation A, if I put x and y both as 0, I'm going to get 0 is less than or equal to 6, which is definitely a true statement. What this signifies? That the solution is towards the origin. Okay, it involves all the points towards the origin. Okay, similarly, the second constraint, what is your second constraint? X by 3 plus y by 2 is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so again, by the knowledge of solving linear inequalities, if I solve this, I'm going to get here 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6. Okay, so now you can solve for this again with the same method. If I put y as 0, I'll get the value of x as 3. If I put x as 0, I'm going to get the value of y as 2. So we have to plot the straight line using this vertex. Okay. Now for the solution part, again put x and y as 0 in your given constraint. Either the first, second equation or B equation, anything is fine. I will get, if I use the equation B, that is constraint B, I'm going to get 0 less than or equal to 6, which is definitely a true solution. Therefore, for this, the solution will be towards the origin. Yes, okay, so this will be towards the origin. Lastly, they have given x is greater than or equal to 0. That is, x is always non-negative. Y is greater than or equal to 0. That signifies, again, y is non-negative. So once we have all the corner points, let us plot. And everywhere you can see that the slack inequalities are given. So you are going to take thick straight lines for all. Everywhere it is slack inequality. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, say 5, 6, 7, 8, say 9, say 10. Okay. Similarly, say 1, 2, 3, 4, say 5, say 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So let us plot one by one. So the first points we have got x as 2 and y as 3. Correct. So this is 2 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 3. So this is the first straight line that you have got. And this is the straight line. Okay. Thick straight line we are taking because it is a slack inequality. And this says 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 6. And where was the solution of this? Towards the origin. Similarly, we'll take the second one that gives the points as x is 3, y is 2. Okay. So here we have 3 comma 0 and here we have 0 comma 2. So if I just join these, this is the straight line I'm going to get. Okay. And this is the straight line of what? 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 6. And where was the solution of this? Again, towards the origin. So if both are towards the origin, this region is going to be your feasible region. Now you can clearly see that it is a bounded feasible region. So the corner points are, say this is A, and the origin, say this is B, and say this is C. Okay, so we have the corner points as A, O, B, C. A is a bounded feasible region. Now since C is an intersection point of both the lines 3x plus 2y, equals to 6 and 2x plus 3y equals to 6. If you solve these two equations as simultaneous equations, you will get the point of C. Okay. So if I just solve this is 6, this is 6. Upon solving, you will get this as 6 by 5 and this y is also 6 by 5. So once we have the corner points, let us plot them. Okay. So I will just take the table here, corner points and our z. What is our z? Minus 2x minus 3y. So what are the corner points that we got? The first one is say 0, 2. Next 0, 0, that is at the origin. Next we got 2, 0, and upon solving the equations, you will get the intersection point, that is 6 by 5 and 6 by 5. Okay. So definitely it is 0, 0. So this is going to be 0. Now for 2, 0, you will get minus 4. Okay. And for 0, 2, you will get minus 6. And for 6 by 5 also you will get minus 6. Okay. So these are the values that we will get. And the question is, what is the maximum value among this? Okay. So clearly you can see that all are negative. So definitely 0 is going to be maximum. So the answer is option A. Thank you.